So what are the factory speakers in a 2014 Chrysler 300C? I'm standing at the back of the car. Yes, the battery's in the back. So the rear speakers are just 6x9s, and they screw in quite easily, that's fine. This has got a factory Alpine system. And the front speakers, factory, are 6x9s. I've used a bunch of silicone there to seal up the holes in the speaker adapter. Hopefully that's enough. It seems quite solid anyway, so I think it's quite good. And there's a factory amp running everything. So we're going to have to get, so the factory amp runs low pass into this speaker and then high pass into the speaker in the dash, which is just a speaker in the dash. This whole front trim just clips out, so you will have to take the pillars off first, the pillar trims. And they're high passed up the top, so you need to get a full signal if you're going to put another amp on it. So your factory amplifier is above the kick panel. That's it up there. So hopefully you can get a full range input signal if you're running all new stereo amp and everything. But that's it there. Or if you're running some sort of aftermarket stereo, that's where you might have to go to get your speaker wires. Good luck with everything.